Woo. Open up the feet. Kickbacks are coming. We're going to do 4 kickbacks and then 4 taps. Ready? Try kickbacks first. 4, 3. All right, now just tap the toe like this. Just tap and tap and tap and tap. Here it is. Kickback, kickback, kickback. Yeah, now tap, tap. Here come the arms and kickback. 2, 3, 4. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Kickback. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Arms higher. Kickback. 2, 3. Now it's a tap. 1, 2, 3. Now it's a kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last set.